बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है प्लानट एग्रीकल्चर। Planet gather energy by the absorbing sunlight. Matter is obtained from two sources: carbon dioxide from the air, water, nitrogen, phosphorus, and the potassium from soil. Number one, soil, source of water and the minerals for planets. Soil is the mixture of the humus, fertility, decomposed plants and animal matter. Rock, the particles containing the minerals such as iron, potassium, sulfur, and precipitates. Water, air, living the organism. Soil from a rock endangers the process of weathering. Mechanicals, weathering, physical breakdown of a rock by wind, water, cold, and heat. Chemical weathering, molecular nature of the rock is the change due to the reaction with the water, oxygen, etc. Watch this clip of Bell Nye demonstrating weathering. What type of the weathering does the demonstrate? What forces the weathering? A soil profile shows the layers of the soil beneath the surface. Each layer is called the horizon and the unique composition. There are the three sides of the rock particle in the topsoil earth, each with the different properties. Sand, slit, clay. Sand, largest particle size, has many large space along the rapid water percolation. Salt, intermediate size. Clay, smallest particle size, few the spaces water does not protect easily. Soil texture triangles. Classify the soil besides on the reveal relative amounts of the each particles. Solid, that is the 50% sandy, 30% clay और 20% salt होता है. Would be classified and standing clay loam. What is the classification of the soil separated in this jar? Sandy loam. आगे the case study dust bowl. The great planets in the area of the United States are demonstrated by three types of period. Telegarious prizes receive the enough participants to spot planets up to feet in the height. Shortage, particularly are semi-rapid grassland in the rainbow of the Rocky Mountains. Tardigrades have deep the complex root system in the made it difficult to till a soil, tilling looseness and mixed soils, increasing the water percolation and mixing horizontal humps into the topsoil. Land and in the western planets become the highly valued, leading the Oklahoma land of 1989. In 1929, the stock market crashed. The beginning of the Great Depression. Water price began to fall. Rocket low. Farmer overplanted to try to overcome low price, but the increased supply purchased price on lower. A massive drought began in the winter of 1931-1932 that would persist for the long as 17 years in the form parts of the Great Planets. Dairy soil and high winds created instant aeration, the movement of the soil particle by the wind or water. शुक्रिया.